Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install the Nespresso app on your device. So let's get started. So it is very easy. So if you are an Apple user, you should must use your Apple Store, and if you are an Android user, you should use your Google Play Store. So here I will just go to the Google Play Store and search for the Nespresso. So here I will just go and search for Nespresso. Okay, Nespresso. So from here you can see Nespresso. Just click on install and it will automatically download and install the Nespresso app, and after then you can just pair your machine and you can use it. If you see here, you can see the reviews of this app and you can do many other things. So if you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.